Hello everybody. In this series, the first 5 videos, I've explained to you some of the elements which go into the making of music. And this time we're going to start looking at actual songs and how they reflect itself there. So for example, we'll take Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In musical alphabet terms, I'll be using numbers, as you learned already. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, which is a question, you know we're not home yet. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. This is the answer, we came back home. Then we have the second part of the song. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. The sentence ends on 2, so you're not home. It repeats itself again. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. You're not home, and we don't have any solution to that. So listen to the composer's wonderful solution to this. He just repeats the beginning as the solution to this problem. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. So because the beginning contains within it a return to 1, which is a return to the feeling of home, so the solution to that middle part, which had no solution, is to return and repeat the beginning again. Now that has also an added effect of coming back home, which you need in general in music, but this is an added effect of having the same beginning as the end, which is a wonderful thing in music. I hope you enjoyed.